Okay, welcome in the second part of simple dice game. Also, we need to put one like a picture box here. Okay, we can go and we can take our picture box. Okay, so where it is, this here is our picture box. Okay, we can put our like image here. Okay, image, background image, and we will go and we will local import, and this is our image. Okay, oh, it can be a little bit big, so we have to adjust it out. Okay, so player 1 must be here and player 2 must be here, so that our image can be adjusted a little bit. We can adjust our image. Okay, so or we can move a little bit more, player 1, and okay, now our image has been adjusted a little bit. Okay, so now or we can move our image here. Okay, we can move our image here like this. Okay, now we can write some things like we can go and we can take one text box and we can put the numbers which will come. Okay, so this is our okay now. So okay now this is our first, so we have to go for its position. Okay, location, it must be 219 and 73, 219 and it must be 219 and 73. Okay, this is the actual location. Okay, so we have to adjust it out like this. And the second one position must be 219 and 207, 207 and 219. Okay, now okay, so okay, now we can change it's like this. Okay, no problem. We can make it a little bit big as well if you want to see. Now okay, now what we need to do is to go to like player 1, and for player 1 I have given in the code. Okay, so we need to write like this. Okay, wait, up to this. Okay, and you can take the code from the description. Okay, link in the description. Okay, so I will put button 1. Okay, and these things. Okay, that is public int and n2 and n1 must be there. Okay, so you need to go and you need to write it in public partial class, and here we will write public int n1 and n2. Okay, so we can go and we can, oh wait, it must be like a picture box 1. Okay, it must be picture box 1 and picture box 1, and here picture box 1, picture box 1, and here also picture box 1, because it's just based on changing of location. Okay, picture box 1. Okay, so now we will run it out, and now it is moving. Yes, it is saying 293 and 4. Okay, 4, this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing, because whenever we press the player 1, the dice function used to work, and you can see this 2, 4 and all these things. Okay, these are random things. Okay, so that is why we can move over this this little piece of piece of playing. Okay, so this is okay. Now we will go for player 2, and here we will go and we will write random and all these things again, all these things, and okay, so sorry, this is for 2. Okay, there is a line in between 1 and 2 code. Okay, so in button 2 I will paste it out like this, and I have to write picture box 2, or here it's 1. Okay, maybe, and above it is 1 1 1 1 1, and then it must be 2. Okay, 2 2, picture box 2, and picture box 2, and picture box 2, and picture box 2, also picture box 2 dot location here. Okay, so player 2 wins. Okay, now I have set the threshold at 854, but you can change it as well. Okay, so okay, now we will play. Now player 1, player 2, player 2 does not move because it's 0. Okay, player 1, player 2, player 1, player 2, player 1, player 2, player 1, player 2, player 1, and again player 2, and you need to do it like this. Okay, so who's okay, whose icon used to move fast and reach destination first, so it will be considered as winner. Okay, okay, also we need to set the the position. Okay, now it reaches the destination. Okay, and we also need to like put it like this. Okay, like this is text box 1, text box 1, dot write text box 1 dot okay dot text is equal to text box 1 dot text is equal to num. Okay, num is equal to num. Now it is integer, so that's why we have to convert to string. I think to string and then num. Okay, to string. Okay, wait, let me change it out to string like this, to string to num, text box 1. Okay, wait. Okay, so num, it must be num dot. Okay, num dot to string. Rather than all this, we need to write num dot to string. Okay, num dot to string. I think that now it is okay. So this thing, text box 1, and also for like text box too. Okay, num2, okay, num2.to string. Okay, so that is why now it will be working fine. So now you can see, oh, why it is not showing guys 2. Okay, it is okay, oh sorry, it must be here. Okay, so here, okay, so that is why. So 4 and 3 and 5 and 5 and 5 and 6 and 6 and 4 and 2 and 6 and 1 and 4 and 0 and 0 again 0, 4 and 4 and 0 and 1 and 6 and 4, 5 and 2, 3 and 6 and this, 1 2 1 0 4 3 2 5 5 4 3 0 0 0 4 4 and 1 again and 6 2 and 6 6 and 6. Okay, now it, okay, and it is 4 and it is 3. Okay, 3. Okay, now we will okay, we will write like it is. Its a threshold must be like oh, it must be like 500 and to 500. Okay, so okay, so what about player 1? $500. Okay, now we can see that which player used to win. Okay, now see. Okay, okay, player 1 wins. Okay, and it won't lose. So in this way you can set the threshold as well. So hopefully you got that how you can design a simple dice game. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.